Livio, where are you going right now?
We are going to the Rock and Run show.
ಈಗ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರನ್ವೇ ಶೋ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಜುಲೈ 4th ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Where's the next one?
Up the Hintz Road, take the shuttle.
Sure.
Tell them it's full of parking.
ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೋನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ముందర మ్యాక్సిమం ఉండదు, లాట్ ఫుల్ అని పెట్టేశారు. అక్కడ పెడతావా లేదంటే ఇక్కడ పోలేదంటే అక్కడ ఉండినా ఉండొచ్చు, చెప్పలేము నాన్న. నమస్కారం. మేము ఈరోజు జూలై 4th ఫైర్ వర్క్స్ అన్ని కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. బలూన్ షో అన్ని ఉంటాయి, పిల్లలకి అనేసి ఫేస్ పెయింటింగ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో ఒకరికి నేను ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ లోపలికి తీసుకుపోతున్నాను. సో చాలా మంది ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చేసారు. Kite, it's not allowed live here.
You guys wanna get down and go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you park and come, Nana? ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
almost 6 zeros.
Easy Mangari. Hey Livia baby, do you know Mysore there is a festival called Dasara. In Dasara time they will block like this 5 kilometers, almost 5 kilometers we need to walk to see Dasara Ambari. Do you know the Ambari weight is 750 kilo, gold, pure gold. Vinama Queen. Wow, look Vidika, Nina chusam kada adi n 755.
Hey Amma.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Where are you right now? Is that your flight?
No. Because I'm just like businessman. I don't own that.
You don't want that?
I only own paper planes that I can't even ride.
Maybe one day you can. మా లివియోకి ఫ్లైట్ కావాలంట. చిన్న చిన్న పేపర్ ఫ్లైట్లు ఉన్నాయని ఫీల్ అయిపోతున్నాడు, ఎందుకంటే వెనకాల పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్లైట్లు నిలబడ్డాయి. ఎయిర్ క్రాఫ్ట్ మొత్తం ఇక్కడ సెక్యూరిటీ ఉంది కంప్లీట్ గా.
You said that one day I'll have a plane, right?
Yes.
You want me to learn how to fly one?
Yes, you
or
can.
Own one?
Both. You can do it. You can ride your own flight. It's possible, Mama. So are you excited? You wanna do face paint?
Yeah. The balloons on the ground, on
So
the
you want
grass.
to take the balloon?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll have fun. We'll shoot fun for that too.
So make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button.
Come on, Amma, turn off your phone, put it in there, it's run.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button. So ಮುಂದೆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ఇప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో మొత్తం రన్వేలన్నీ బ్లాక్ చేసి పార్కింగ్ కోసం అనేసి వదిలేశారు చూడండి. సో ఈవెంట్ ఇంకేమో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఫైర్ వర్క్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, మ్యూజిక్ కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది. అది చూపిస్తాను రండి. Yeah, she got so big. Say hi. No, she's not listening. Oh, pencil. ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈರ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. Can you go in? Wanna go in? Come here, this way. Which way? We'll go from here. Come on. Gunama, go from here. Okay, come on. Go.
Hodge. Rocka.
And we have blood collection kits. And we have packaging.
Oh. You want to explain something? Hey, Livio, what's today?
Sigma. What is mu over sigma, class?
And down here is what packaging.
Whoa. Look at that. That is cool.
We don't have any actual evidence.
What is this? Police.
Wait, this is actually. Wait. This is the color.
The police వెహికల్ ఎక్కాము. లోపల అమెరికాలో ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఎవిడెన్స్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే, ఏమైనా మాట్లాడుకోవాలంటే, డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ వాళ్ళకి ಕಿಚನ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ఏమైనా ప్రింట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్గా చేసుకోవచ్చు.
We have laptops in the back. So this is all cameras, video cameras. This is a laser measuring device. There's their fingerprint kits, extra batteries and everything. Yep. We pull it out, then we go process a crime scene. This is for collecting blood. Sorry, I'll get out of your way in a second. Blood, gunshot residue, more fingerprints. And then down here is all packaging. So it's usually stuff that it could be on a wall, it could be on a cabinet, straight on a wall, stuff that's on the ground. We just take a cotton swab and we swab it and then we package it in the box. Yep.
is that?
We have these magnets.
Magnet. You want to sit?
How we would stand it?
I don't see why not.
Yeah, you can sit up there. Just no buttons or anything.
Woo! No buttons. Livio. Stay there. Let me take one pic. Ride. Start ride, Livio. Yeah, come on, let's go. Thank you.
Oh, that's other side.
What else, Livio? Where are the glow sticks? So someone gave, I think so. Who is giving? What is this one, Livio? What is this one?
This is our snow broom, so it cleans out the snow and ice.
Oh, in airport. Oh,
Always.
oh.
Be very careful, it's sharp though.
Uh-huh.
The perfect back scratcher.
And that one?
This is our snow blower. It's a really
Okay.
big snow blower.
Uh-huh. So it will blow faster, right? Oh. But it clears the runway faster, right? Your name?
Carmina.
Carmina, okay. Yeah. My name is Loki.
Loki. Nice pretty name.
Livio is my son. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Huh?
Let's ask some clusters.
Where? Glow sticks. You can ask them. Where did you get? Go. You wanna ask? That's a hand gloves. Oh, don't ask Livio. Livio, no. What the? Da.
Where are they all getting the clusters?
Where the fireworks start, Livio?
Somewhere over here.
They will start here.
5 minutes.
Daddy's calling. Come on, let's go.
Ow, how do you know?
He called me just now.